Dear friends, in the previous episode, we have learned about the role of geriatricians in the society and in the medical care of the elderly people. Now, let us consider know a little bit about geriat disintegration of the joint family. What are all the social problems faced by the elders? The main cause for social problems in the elders is the disintegration of the giant family. The joint family system is a unique feature of our glorious cultural heritage. Due to modernization, the joint family system is slowly disintegrating. According to a survey conducted in Tamil Nadu, both urban and rural areas, only 60% of elders live in joint family. The rest live alone with their spouse or with distant relatives, caregivers, or in the homes for the aged. Many elderly people live alone without, even if the spouse is dead, they won't go to any the relatives' house, etc. The breakup of the joint family system can be traced to the following reasons. The job opportunity, because of the family planning, it is common to see one child family nowadays. If the child is a girl, she gets married and goes to her husband's house. If the boy is the only child after his education, he will migrate to other places or countries for better job opportunity. Naturally, the elders are left alone. These parents may be well off financially because of the flow of money from their children or from their own savings. But socially, they have to face many problems in the course of time. Lack of adjustment. This is another important reason for disintegration of the joint family. Adjustment problems, mainly all among the women, are highly prevalent in many families and are responsible for the unhealthy atmosphere in the family. If the two women adjust and go smoothly in a family, where is the need of elders to leave the family and go away? Problems with the mother-in-law and daughter-in-law are the usual conflict we see in our society. Then the attitude of the younger generation. The pace of life is increasing day by day, and the younger generation of today has to strive hard to graduate and acquire a degree and establish a fairly stable life for themselves. Escalation of prices of many commodities and increasing cost of living creates financial difficulties for the younger generation. Under these circumstances, they are unable to even spare a thought for the elders. This situation leads to the conflict between the elder and the younger generation, leading to disintegration of the joint family system. There is one more reason for that disintegration. Attitude of the elders. Elders expect a lot from youngsters. When their children fail to meet the expectation, they become disappointed and frustrated. This increases the generation gap resulting in the generation of the disintegration of the joint family. What are the consequences of breaking down of the joint family? What are the problems faced by the elders when they live alone? There are many. Following each are worth mentioning. Following a few are worth mentioning. Isolation. Many elders are isolated from their family as well as from the society. They tend to become more housebound. Loneliness leads to mental depression. Then the dependency. Disabilities are more common in old age. This may be so severe that the elderly may be totally bed for or housebound. For example, the stroke, severe arthritis, poor vision, Parkinsonism, dementia, etc. So they depend upon the help from their neighbors, friends, or relatives to meet the needs of their daily living. This is turn effects. This in turn affect the quality of life. Example, nutritional deficiency, lack of recreation, leads to depression, etc. Then the security. There is no security for the property as well as the life of the elderly people who live alone. Then the poverty. Many elders may have some fixed income like pension, deposits, etc. Others depend upon some financial assistance from their relatives and friends. In unexpected events like health problems, it is extremely difficult to cope up with these types of situations with their limited source of income. Then about the finance. What is the significance of money or property for the elderly? Economic difficulty is one of the bigger problems of elders. 40% of our senior citizens live below the poverty line without proper food and shelter. Moreover, 90% of the elderly belong to the unorganized sector without any pension, provident fund, gratuity, or any other source of social security. A comfortable financial status is essential for happiness in old age. Hence, right from the middle age, one should take adequate steps to ensure comfortable financial status in the old age. Elderly should also make it a point to retain their property and wealth in their own name till their death. This will ensure the youngsters will take care of them in their old age, at least for the sake of property. Dear friends, this is in nutshell about the disintegration and the family life and the care of the elderly and finance of the elderly people. Dear friends, read it, hear it, subscribe it, like it, and share it with your friends, which is very essential for every human being in the world. So, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.